Sometimes you may want to share your project files with someone, either as a template or just to enable the person to edit without losing any of the files. So how do we do that? For example, this is a project I created. If you missed out on this tutorial on how to create this simple animation, you can check in the video description below to download this template. So for us to package the After Effects project files, we'll have to go to File and then go to Dependencies. If your version don't have dependencies, it might have a menu item called Collect Files. So for mine, I will go to Dependencies, Collect Files. I will select all, then click Collect, and then here I will give the folder name. Let me call it 2 because there's another folder already exists. So let me call it that name and then click Save, and that is all. I hope this video helped you. Once again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share.